Hello guys, welcome back to another short video on SharePoint. In this video, we are going to create a list in SharePoint from an existing Excel file. Yes, you don't need to start from a scratch where you need to create a list then add columns one by one. If you have all those columns and data in any Excel format, you can directly import that one, and based on that import and the data which is there in that Excel, automatically columns will be created in the SharePoint list. So let's see how we can achieve that one in SharePoint. For that one, first you need to go to site contents. You can use the site contents on the left side menu, or you can go to the gear icon, and here you can see the site contents. Just click on that one, you will be redirected to site contents. This is a place where all the documents, lists and pages, everything will be there for this particular site. To create a list, at the top you can see there is an option called new. Click on that one. Once you click on that one, you will get a option list. Select that one. Here you will get a different options, like you can create a list from scratch, or if you want to create a form, calendar, gallery, or you can create it from different file formats as well. As I said, we can create directly from an Excel. We need to choose this option Excel. Here, if you have uploaded any Excel files in the documents library, those Excel files will be shown. You can start creating list from that particular Excel, or if you have that Excel in the local drive, click on this option, upload file. I have Excel file kept in my desktop, so let's select that one and click on open. So I have chosen that sample file. So now that is imported here. And another important thing which you need to take care is you need to make sure that first row in your Excel sheet should have the column headers. As you can see here in the exported file which I have titles as a first row in this file, segment, country, product, etc. Because these titles will be chosen as the column titles and columns will be created by these names. Let's switch back to the SharePoint. As you can observe here, the titles are automatically fetched here and those are treated as the column titles here. And based on the content of the Excel which we are going to import, SharePoint will automatically select the type of that particular column. As you can see here, first title, for first column it has chosen the type title, then single line of text for the content where there is a less text. And for the columns where there is a numbers, you can observe the type of that particular column is selected as number. Similarly, you can verify all the columns, and if you want to change the format of any column, you can do that one here. For example, here for country, if I want to change the type of this format to choice, I can choose this one. Then you need to next, and in the final step you need to provide one title for this list. Here I have added a title as financial sample. Then click on create button. It will take some time to create a list from the imported Excel. Once list creation is completed, you will be redirected to that list here. And here you can observe all the titles along with the data. Everything is imported here. And if you go to list settings, you can observe here whatever the type of the column which was chosen automatically by the SharePoint, that is being displayed here. And as we have changed the type of country to choice, that column is created with this choice type of field. So this is a simple way to create a list from an existing Excel. So here is a fresh new list, fully editable, shareable and ready for filters, views. Even we can do some Power Automate workflows and all the features which SharePoint can provide. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share for more tutorials. If you have any questions or want such tutorials, put your request in the comments.